In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email alias in Hostinger hPanel. An email alias is a simple, professional way to receive messages sent to an alternate address without creating a brand new mailbox. Think of it as a front door that forwards mail to the main room. It's perfect for roles like info at or sales at, while keeping all messages landing in your primary inbox. First, sign in to your Hostinger hPanel. Once you're in, look for the email section on your dashboard. That's your control center for everything related to your email hosting. Open it to see the domains or plans connected to your account. Next, select the domain or email plan you want to manage. If you have multiple domains, choose the one where you want this alias to live. This ensures the alias uses the correct domain, like alias at yourdomain.com, instead of accidentally attaching to the wrong one. Inside the email management page, look for the email alias section. This is where all alias setup and management happens. If your plan uses Titan email, the path is slightly different. Open email accounts, then choose Manage Alias for the specific mailbox you want to forward to. That tells the system which real inbox should receive the messages. In some cases, Hostinger may ask you to pick the mailbox the alias should forward to. If you see this prompt, select the mailbox that should receive messages sent to the new alias. This keeps everything routed exactly where you want it. Now, enter the alias name you want to create. Keep it short, clear, and relevant. Something like support, hello, or billing. You typically only type the part before the @ symbol. The system will attach your selected domain automatically. Avoid special characters and choose a name that people will remember and spell easily. When you're ready, click Create Alias. The system will process your request, and in most cases, this happens almost instantly. Finally, check the alias list right on the page to confirm it was created successfully. You should see the new alias appear, usually alongside its destination mailbox. A quick note on how this works. An alias doesn't have its own login or storage. It simply forwards messages to the mailbox you selected, and any replies you send will come from that main mailbox. You can always return to the same area to add more aliases or manage existing ones as your team grows. And that's it. You've set up a clean, professional email alias in Hostinger hPanel, ready to route messages exactly where you need them.